back, everyone. Hope every one of you is having a wonderful Monday, and we're looking at the fear in the stock market. The crypto market isn't much better, it's actually much worse. And we are in extreme fear. So that's actually good because we are really polar here, and this looks like a good scenario where we could see a bounce. Bounce from this area would be really expected. And I'm thinking we're seeing the same scenario as we saw in March this year. So yeah, we haven't even visited the neutral zone, so being extremely bearish here, it's actually, in my opinion, a good time to accumulate. Okay, so CBBI, I haven't updated it since November, and if we look back, we'll probably see something around 50. And yeah, looking at the Bitcoin price, we are closing in on the bull market top time frame. So in my opinion, here we have formed a low either, and I was correct in the past video because we have seen one more flush here to 83k. So maybe we see one more low here, a spring scenario, and then we definitely will go higher, in my opinion. So nothing is 100% in trading, but in my opinion, we are positioning to go higher. How high? In my opinion, there definitely the 100k region, which is a psychological zone, and this pitchfork zone around 105 to 107k. So we go here once again, sending resets to neutral or greedy, I hope, and then we break down to the 4-year cycle low. Then we accumulate, go up, and yeah, we'll see what market brings us, but this is like base case scenario in my opinion. So here, if we use sketch, Bleistift, but undone. Okay, here we're seeing a breakdown in my opinion. Then we have accumulation, we have lows here. Then we have one more low, which is a spring. Here, pump, higher low, higher than those accumulation lows, and then we go. We have complete bull domination here, and this is what is expected in the current Bitcoin price area. So, accumulation, spring event, pump, one more buying opportunity, and then we go back up. That's what I am expecting, something similar to this with the Bitcoin price. US 500 is actually moving as expected. It's actually doing really well. I think it will be moving towards 7,300, which is, in my opinion, a good shorting area for S&P. If you into that kind of stuff. And yeah, CBI has, yes, it's December 8th and it's 57. So yeah, US looking a-okay. ETH Bitcoin is actually looking pretty bullish. ETH Bitcoin. So here, US 500 looking really good. Actually hoping it to follow the scenario of Bitcoin going to around this pitchfork zone, which is a long pitchfork extending from April 2020 to this median line over here. Maybe we go here, good short area here, and then go towards the 4-year cycle low, or somewhere along. I expect the S&P to move something similar to Bitcoin. That's why I keep on looking at Bitcoin, but Bitcoin does follow. Bitcoin does follow S&P 500, so I'm looking at both because they move together. They like to move together. Sell a lot of things, but let's keep our eyes on the price movement of ETH. ETH, especially on ETH Bitcoin pair, which we have we don't have here. We don't have it here. ETH Bitcoin pair looks really bullish, in my opinion. We have clean accumulation, clean bottoming zone, and now I think we can see a bounce back. First price target for ETH here, in my opinion, is around 3.5k, and then we'll see what the market brings. But I think ETH is looking good. Maybe one more pullback to get longs in, but Yeah, we're that's what we're seeing right now. And Solana is actually pretty weak. I would love Solana to go back up, and I am expecting it to go back up at least to 158. But we'll see how the market behaves. At least accumulation right now, and then going definitely, in my opinion, going sooner here, later wherever. But I think we'll soon be in that 158 region, and then we'll see where the market brings us. I think that's it for today's video. Yeah, thank you for looking, thank you for tuning in, and see you soon. Yeah, see you next week or maybe sooner. Thank you. Bye bye.